Minia, you know what I got over here?
I know that you have is a great light for portrait shooting, self-portrait, blogger or YouTuber, and also for live streaming.
Yeah, definitely for YouTube or Twitch. So let's begin now. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. And we had the ring light. Right, Menina? What is the specs for this light?
This is a dimmable LED ring light. It's 55 watt, 5500 K dimmable LED ring light. Yeah, it comes
also with the filters. In the filter, you can make it 3200 Kelvin. Now, all our lighting we have in the studio is from the same company. That's very important. Everything we have here, and we've been using this.
That's how we light up the channel.
Yeah, like I said, so maybe we'll light up your own channel or your Twitch channel, YouTube channel.
And we'll bring you luck too.
So, okay, let's see what we get inside the bag. All right, so to start off, it comes with a nice bag, so you can travel with this anywhere. This is the perfect. That's meaning the one you see, the makeup, the ones.
The makeup girls.
The makeup channel. So let's take all this stuff out first. All right. So what's important? We have the bag, so the bag you can carry anywhere. So now, see, this is LED. Now, remember the ones we used to have, Medina, with the tube?
Yes, the ones that we were.
Yeah, and the tube cost you. I don't know what it cost you. Maybe $50, $60 a tube, and it breaks. That's crazy. You have to go and find out many times. Just be careful that thing doesn't fall. So we see this is the ring light, 18 inches. Is 48 centimeters, and we see all the LED lights. So right over here, and I'm going to be changing camera so I can show you.
And you know what? It comes with a holder in which you can pull your mobile phone, and you can also put a DSLR camera, the big one.
So here we're going to put the tripod. Comes with the own tripod too. Right over here we put the cell phone, and this is for the power. Here we got all the information you need. Well, first you get all the manual, how to mount it, and all the information. All the parts they include with the package. Oh, and the remote control, by the way. And the warranty card, the information. So this is extra stuff. Now, you know what is this, Menina?
What is that? I know that's an awesome remote control. And I like the color so I don't lose it.
Yeah, that's remote control, so you can take pictures and start filming. So when you are ready in the front of the camera with the light, you hit the button and start recording. We got the power supply.
Yes.
It's rated for 100 volt and 220. So you can use
awesome. You can take it all
240 actually. You can take anywhere in the world. That's very important. We're going to plug it in.
What if you were to plug that on a cruise ship?
That is 220 and also.
Oh, excellent.
Oh, look, didn't pay attention to that. Comes with a European plug.
Oh,
so this is good. They say for South America, Argentina, Chile use this.
Yes.
In Germany, they use the same plug.
Switzerland, I think.
And I think in Switzerland use this to 220. So that's good around the world. And USA and Japan, they use this style. So we're going to plug this one out. So we plug it in. So it's good. Doesn't use a lot of power. It has a transformer, so they use low voltage.
And there I can see that you have the white and the orange filters too.
Yes. So let me plug that. Oh, it's nice. It will automatically lock. So no problem if you're recording somebody and I'll try to disconnect it by mistake. So that's a nice thing, right? That's pretty nice. So we have that extra the cable. And we can mount the cell phone. We're going to do that too. And we have the filter. That's your white filter you want to use. And this is the 32 Kelvin warm light. All right, so let's mount the light. You want to start from this one, for the middle one. This right over here. That's your first one you want to install. Okay, right there. And then we just go this way. And right away, if you're not going to be changing light, you can just leave this permanent. You don't need to remove this all the time. And it looks real nice. will not go nowhere. All right, so we finished mounting the light, as you see here. So we're gonna turn it from the side, and it's dimmable. So it's nice. You can see, change your lighting. It's nice. This is powerful. Let me shut down the studio lights. All right, now we see the line right over here, and it's bright, huh? So you can, depends on the picture you want to take or the streaming, you can change the light. Now we're going to also set up the tripod in a second, and I want to change this to 32 Kelvin. All right, so this is 32 Kelvin, 3200. And then we see we got now much warm light. Okay. This is a warm lighting. Okay, yeah, we see the effects right there. Now, also on the as part of the tripod, you will get the errand for your cell. So the way it goes, so right over here, you will put this here, like this. Like that one there. Now, that comes on the box for the tripod, and this is with the part of the transformer and all that. So there, you put the cell phone. This opens this way. So let's grab my cell. We go this way. And now you hold your cell phone. If you want to point down, you can point down, up and down. Now you see, now you got the perfect setup to start a channel or take any picture, and then you use the remote control, and then you can be taking picture or start and record the video. Now you can use all the cameras too. Now for the tripod, it comes with two parts. So you get the tripod here, and the tripod works a little different upside down. So this is the way. So make sure you lose this. Then you open all the way. Then keep going. And now you have the tripod. And then you stand it. And it's going to be real tall. Show you how to. So if you see, it goes pretty tall. And actually, that tall, if I measure from the floor, so it's 63 inches. Right now, the 63 inches. But also, we can use this extension if you want to use. Now, for the light, we're going to lose this on the side. We're going to tie this up. We mount this here. Bring this down. The remote down. And now you have the perfect setup. You can bring this up high and down. Okay, you can put this down. It's good if you want to take pictures or something on the table. Let's say you want to do an open box. That's a good way to do it. You take pictures. You put the cell phone right over here. Tilt the cell phone. And that's what we do. And so we can do an open box. You can do that from the other side of the table, or you can do it from the side. Real good. Or you can just point this to your side. So it's a nice setup because you get everything here. You get the tripod, you get the remote control, you get the extension, you get the part for the cell phone, and you get the two filters. So you get the 52K, the white filter, and the 32 Kelvin. And plus, you know, if you get too much light, or if you require a little more light, you can change the dimmable light. And to turn it off, just turn the switch off, and that's on the side, and you're done. All right, Menina. So you're gonna start your own YouTube channel. makeup channel.
Yes,
How
this
we
is
get
the
one of
perfect
these lights.
light, and I should get it just by clicking the link below.
Thank you very much. Bye.